Hello friends, my topic is Internet of Behavior. We are going to discuss about what is the Internet of Behavior, Internet of Things, Internet of Behavior, application of IOB in 2021, IOB in business and IOB during the COVID pandemic, use case of IOB, benefits of IOB, risk elements. Just a small introduction of IOB. Earlier, a customer behavior and reactions towards a product or services would be through a contracted group study. Here, customers of different options and background would react to the use of a product or services. Once that sample study is collected, it would determine the fate of that product or services in the business. Now, you do not need to hire a group and spend on a group of people to react or opine about your product or services. A concept like the Internet of Algorithm Behaviors emerges, which uses technology and behavioral science to understand and influence people mid-set towards their product and services. Then the IOB in earlier and now. Then a small introduction for the IOB. Then we are check what is the Internet of Behavior. Internet of Behavior is an extension of IoT. IoT means Internet of Things, where IoT work with the data, information and how different devices connect with one another. IoB also works with the same parameters, adding user behavior into the mix to understand how certain patterns and impressions can determine the user experience. According to Darley Palmer, distinguished VP analyst and Garner Fellow, started by 2023, individual activities will be tracked digital by Internet of Behavior to influence benefits and services eligibility for 40% of people worldwide. Then, what is the IOB? According to Gartner, a global research firm, by 2023, 40% of world population will have their behavior tracked through IOB. Also by 2025, more than 50% of world population will have their behavior tracked. This knowledge bar data will be used by private and government for different marketing purposes. IOB becomes the key for sales and marketing. The day-to-day IOB is improving. For future, there may be a great job for the IOB. IOB links technology and a person's action towards it and interpret the reactions. IOB can also influence a person's behavior. Is IOB performs the behavior of the persons. So, then year to be year becomes technology was more popular. Then the behavior track to influence the marketing and some other ways is a great for the technology. Then Internet of Things. The Internet of Things describes the network of physical objects things or objects that are embedded with sensors, software and other technology for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. Internet of Behavior. The number of Internet of Things devices has doubled over the past 5 years. So that past 5 years mean the Internet of Things doubled. The collection of usage data and data by this IoT describes provides valuable information about users' behaviors, interest and preference. Thus the concept of Internet of Behavior was born. So that the three things, users' behavior, interest and preference, that are the common term for the Internet of Behavior in future will become a great success. IOB, collection of huge set of data to drive behavior. That may be behavior, such a huge collection. IOB is extension of IoT. That means a small extension is IoT. The data and information from IoT devices leads to knowledge and wisdom. A small figure. Internet of Things and Internet of Behavior. The Internet of Behavior, Wisdom, Knowledge. Internet of Things means information and data. Application of IOB in 2021. The two types, IOB in business and IOB during the COVID-19 pandemic. IOB in business. Various businesses are using online advertising as a way to research their customers. With the assistance of IOB, they are able to identify and target certain individuals or groups that could benefit from their products or services. Google and Facebook both use behavioral data to showcase advertisement to people on their platforms. This allows brands to connect with their ideal audience and track their behavior towards that advertisement through click rates. Similarly, YouTube also uses behavioral analytics to improve their viewers experience by only recommending or showcasing videos and topics that interest them. The data and information collected by the IoT devices are used for generating knowledge and wisdom about users' behavior, interest, and preference, and promote new products or marketing strategies from a human physiology perspective in IoB. The next one is IoB during the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic has made us more aware of the safety measures we must take during this time. With the help of sensors or RFID tag, employees could determine if there are any discrepancies in following the safety protocols. In fact, restaurants and food delivery app use the information about the protocol and then carry forward their plans. Example, Swiggy and Tomato both showed and highlighted the safety measures taken by the restaurant. They also tracked and displayed the delivery person's temperature to ensure the customers that they are safe. So, the two applications in 2021, the IOB's success. IOB in business has much IOB in business and IOB during the COVID-19 pandemic. Then these two techniques are developing in IOB strategies. So that these two things are moreover the users behavior preference and interest based. Then COVID pandemic situation, the example for the Swiggy and Zomato are the strategies. Then next we discuss use case of IOB. Social credit score. Social credit score system in China based on face recognition. Each entry is given a social credit score with reward for those who have high rating and punishments for these low scores. So based on the scores of people, they are given government facilities. Then benefits of IOB. There are 4 benefits. Markets products more efficiently to customer, improve the user bar customer experience, access to consumer lifestyle information, improving SEO. Market products more efficiently to customers. IoT creates a lot of data and information, and when these data are converted into knowledge and wisdom, it's easy to identify all platforms the customers interacts with, and we get a detailed information about the customer. More effectively, we can implement the marketing strategies to these customers. Example is Uber. Improve the user bar customer experience, improving their products by organization based on the detailed information collected about the customers and thus improving the user experience. When the product is improved, it satisfies the customer concern and expectations. Next one is access to consumer lifestyle information. Our lifestyle is completely tracked with the IoT devices. Example of coffee machine. Improving SEO. SEO is search engine optimization, practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine result. With the introduction of IOB, an improved version of SEO, search experience optimization SXO is developed. System understand the intent. Risk element is privacy is under threats. Then the Internet of Behavior adds its pros and cons. Just like any other technology's concept, it can refine the lives of customers, upgrade businesses, and assist government to determine threats. It is a revolution in a technical sense. In the right set of hands and proper data protection laws, it shall play an important role in the near future. Thank you all.